Hair Transplant Clinic once again. So today I'm here with my patient who has completed 1 year of his hair transplant, and so long you have been seeing results of 5 months, 6 months. So let's take a look at how the patient does at the end of 1 year after the full growth. So here we are with a patient. Hello sir, how are you sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, doctor.
So how do you feel sir after the surgery, and how is your experience, and what do you feel about the results?
Yeah, after the surgery, I feel very like confident, amazing, and it's like previously I was facing many challenges. Like I was not very much confident, and like mainly I want to tell that I was facing challenges in getting married also, like
Okay.
because of my baldness.
Acha.
So now everyone can see my growth. So because of which I'm married also now. Thanks to Nuru. Yeah.
You're welcome, sir. So, what I want to talk about today is about hairline. How the hairline should be designed, and what do we do in the hairline so that the results look natural. Now, as you can see the patient front on, and you won't be able to notice the hairline, whether it is artificially created or it is natural. And I was looking at him after so long that I couldn't recognize him. Now, you can see the hairline. I'll show you the hairline. As you can see straight on, this is the hairline in which we take good care of putting singles in the front, doubles and triples in the back, so it doesn't look that weird or it doesn't look artificial. Now, when I comb it down also, you won't be able to notice anything. So, the hairline should be created with natural look in mind. It should not look regularly zigzag. Now, if you do it regularly zigzag, it look very artificial. But if you do it irregular, it looks quite natural. And the natural hairline itself is in this pattern. Along with this, he has complied with his medicines very well, taken it very religiously. He had any issues, he had contacted the doctor, that is me, and then he had any doubts, we could clear it out. But at the end of 1 year, this is the result that he has achieved. So, since he is quite happy, we are quite happy with his happiness, and we are waiting for any further progress and update. Since the whole transplant, you get the result in 1 year, and we are done with it. Now he only has to carry on with maintenance of the medicines and PRP sessions. So that's it for today, and this is what I wanted to show you and share with you. Thank you for watching the video, and welcome again to New Roots. Do subscribe to our channel, and thank you. Just look at his hairline till the video ends. That's it.